video of snow in Iraq while we are patrolling a route called Cherry. Almost home. But anyways, it's snowing pretty crazy. Clemson, I'm sorry. Anyways, this is all the ice that's accumulated from the windshield wiper. Delta. That's Freddie with the dice. Craziness. That's guns up there. Freeze gets us off in the turret. This is a 2.6 truck, or the best truck here in Battery. Gonzo's telling it nonsense that I'm gonna ignore him like I usually do. And here's more snow. I wish you could see the snow hit the glass. Might be able to. Kinda cool. Kinda cool, man. Alright, here's a camera going to Gonzo.
Alright, it is snowing in Iraq. We're on patrol. My turret windows are frozen over, and the snow's coming down like crazy. My fucking 240 is all ice, so I'm about to show you that. Here's my turret windows frozen. Oh, the turret window frozen. 240 is covered in fucking ice. This is the outside. Alright, camera's going back down to Poodle 2.6.
This commentary has been brought to you by the one and only Pitmaster Flash, Cap's son, B-Rad, with my associates, Nerd 1, Nerd 2.